Welcome back to another video at Flying Goat Farm's YouTube channel. This video is going to be of me replacing all the old hoses and rebuilding the milk claws. These milk claws are, they call them Vangard style milk claws. So every season I go through in the winter and replace all the hoses. These hoses were silicone. And I rock silicone a lot, many seasons on the silicone hoses. This season in 2025, I ran just the normal milk hose, and I bought a whole big box of it, so I'll probably be using that again this season. But every winter I go through and pop those silicone inflators out of the shells and investigate the shells to see if there's any hairline cracks or anything. And all those silicone liners get replaced. And this season, this is actually really early in 2025, before I was milking. I did all the vacuum lines too. I don't normally do all the vacuum lines, but if they're cruddy looking and don't look very nice, I usually replace them. Basically, I'm just gonna like set you free. I don't know, there's little sections here and there of like I'm talking about stuff, but most of it's just watching me do this. So sit back and enjoy watching me work.
you?
I have 4 extra shells, but even some of them even have like a little hairline crack. Because the goats are crazy. So first I put it up, I rebuild all this, all nice and new and shiny. Take this all apart, clean it all by hand, make sure everything's good, replace what needs to be replaced, and then I put it in place and then do the hose. Because if I try to measure everyone's different, and then it'd be like a crazy number system, and I don't want to do that. So I just do it one at a time. And there's some hot water in a Yeti cup over there that should help. It's kind of cool in here, and this stuff is really hard to put on. Let's see how this goes.
Look at this dumb baby dog. Jabbing your fingers.
Green, you gotta take it easy on her. This is the wrong way. I just did it the wrong way. So we're nearing the end of this video of me rebuilding the milk claws and replacing the milk line and vacuum lines. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really wish I had an overview shot of what it looks like all fresh, brand new. But I didn't. I forgot to take that footage. So live and learn.